So, here in exponents and powers, still we are going to learn few more basic definitions. So first, let me start with those basic definitions, and after that we go to the remaining points. Here in exponents and powers, first let me start with a basic definition called variable. What do you mean by a variable? A variable is nothing but a symbol which can take various numerical values. Here I would like to take one example. This is an apple. The cost of this apple is rupees X. Here, if you go to any other place, the cost of this one apple may be 20 rupees, that is, X equals to 20. But if you go to the place like Shimla, there the cost is very less, maybe 10 rupees. Now, what we observed from this example is, here the value of X varies from place to place. That is the reason we called this letter X as variable. In the name itself it says variable means it varies. And here for that we use letters like X. Sometimes we can use the letters like A, B, C or else X, Y, Z. And finally, a variable is nothing but a symbol which can take various numerical values. Sometimes X may be 20, sometimes X may be 10, so which vary from one value to another value. Now here I am taking one example. Here, to introduce these variables in general in algebra, we use the letters like X, Y, Z. Also, we can use the letters A, B, C. We call them as variables. Another name of variable is literal. For variable, another word is literal, nothing but they are letters only. All this are nothing but letters, and simply we can call it as literal, or else we can call them variable. Variable means it varies from one value to another value. Now I am introducing one more basic definition called constant. What do you mean by constant? We can define a constant as a symbol which has a fixed value. Here for this I am going to take one example. Here I took one 10 rupee note, and if you go to any other place, the value of this note will not change. Wherever you go, the value is always fixed, so here the value 10 is called a constant. So we can define a constant as a symbol which has a fixed value. For example, we can take any number as 2, 5, 7, 10, 11 or any other value. We can treat them as constants only. So these are the two basic definitions, variables and constants. Now I am going to introduce one more basic definition called exponent.